Namaste friend, this is Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in. Today we are here to know about working of stitches in the back loop of the foundation chains. So let us make the foundation chain. I never make a slip knot, I straight away make the first chain and go about. So insert the hook from top down inside, twist, hold, make the first chain. So don't tighten it, let it be like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So these are the foundation chains. I'm going to show you on this small piece. When you make a chain, there are 3 loops. You can see the V in front, one on this left side, one on the right side. Okay, left and right. So when you just turn it back, you will see a bump. This is a bump. So this is also called as the back bump or the back loop. Back bump, it is the right word. So we never work in the very first stitch. Insert your hook under the back bump of the second one. Pick up the yarn, pull it out, make the first single crochet. Then in the second one, pick up, pull up to the height of this loop, yarn over, pull through 2, second single crochet. Third, fourth. So when you work in the back bump, throughout all the stitches you have to work in the back bump only. So working one in back bump, the other in this will not give a good edge in the base. So you should maintain the uniformity. Either you work in the single loop or in the back bump, whichever is convenient to you. The back bump has an advantage over working in the single loop. I'll show you at the end of completing this row. So the last stitch I have not tightened. I can see the back bump here. So I'm going to insert my hook underneath that. Pull up, complete the stitch, and then you pull this tight. So you'll have a neat edge on both the sides. And when you turn your back, see, you get a nice bottom edge too. You get a beautiful bottom edge when you work in the back bump. Okay. So one row of single crochet I have made. This is how we work in the back bump of the foundation chain. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day.